USpisi uchazele ikhomishana ukuthi isivumelwano sokusebenzisana phakathi kwe-EMPD nenkampani yonogada kaVusimuzi Khethi Madlala sasisekwa yiphini lenhloko yamaphoyisa e-EMPD elisabambile uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi. Ingxenye yalesivumelwano yayikhomba ukuthi inkampani kaMadlala izovunyelwa ukusebenzisa amalamba alihlaza nabomvu amaphoyisa omkhandlu. Umkhwanazi usolwa ngokuba nesandla ekugunyazeni ngokungemthetho inkampani kaMadlala ukuthi iqhube umsebenzi owenziwa ngamaphoyisa.
It was reported that Brigadier J.D. Mkhwanazi appointed CAT VIP services on an official document. Vehicles was registered on the City of Ekurhuleni name. It was further alleged that Brigadier J.D. Mkhwanazi appointed individuals to work with EMPD. These and other conduct need to be investigated accordingly, including other facts that may be discovered during the investigation, and any other conduct that you may determine during this investigation.
Utshela ikhomishana ukuthi uMkhwanazi wayengaphumeli obala umebuzwa ngohlelo lokusebenza kwe-CAT VIP security.
They acted completely out of scope. They do criminal investigations, which is the sole capability of the South African Police Service. They have no powers to do criminal investigations at all, but they were doing it.
USpisi uchaze nangokungathathelwa izinyathelo kwamaphoyisa aqhuba izenzo zobugebengu emkhandlwini.
6 officers from the drug enforcement unit was arrested because they extorted plus minus 80,000 rand from a foreigner. These officers were arrested, detained, they were released on bail, and those officers have to date not been disciplined. Not even a disciplinary matter started against them. And they are reporting directly to Dion Singh, the brigadier that was suddenly promoted last year by Mkhwanazi as well. He reported directly to him. It's a drug enforcement unit. They've been what the officers speak to me and phone me and say, can it not be fixed? They were actually promoted.
Isicau siyaqhubeka.